We've got this PowerPoint here. The house has been rewired and I've put a bracket in, and it's a solid brick house. So I've mixed up some fine white sand with plaster, stopping plaster, CSR. So it's probably going to take about 20 minutes to set. It's quite sluggy. Pushing it in behind the bracket. Come back in about 10 minutes and give it a scrape back. About a bit over 10 minutes. It's started to firm up now. So we can scrape that back. Scrapes back very well. Sand and plaster, it's CSR stopping plaster with triple wash fine sand, fine white sand. Just keep this level here, just slightly back from the original wall. Just cut around those wires a little bit. No power in them. And always be careful around wires. Okay, let's freed them up. Get it all off the paintwork. Just angling the level in a bit there, so I've got some room to put the white coat on. Okay, we'll mix up a bit of cornice cement, CSR cornice cement. I'll put the first coat of white on. Just feathering onto the paintwork. Okay, we'll let that take up a bit. It'll be about 5 minutes before I can put another coat on as it's setting. Maybe 10 minutes. It's firmed up a bit. Second coat. Just spread out just slightly more. But try not to lay it on. Lay it on just slightly, that's about it. Okay. Using a hard scraper, shaped handle, very good. Okay, come back, that's a second coat of white. We'll put the third coat on. It's firmed up, not completely dry yet. I'm still using the same pot. I agitated it the first few coats before I put it on to make it set quicker. Okay, that's the third coat. And that's pretty close now, but let's come back and polish. Okay, that's firmed up a bit, so just splash just a little bit of water on it. Give it a bit of a polish. Just feathering out a bit further each time. Just not laying it on there, just feathering. Okay, that's pretty well done. Hope you enjoyed that. Filling up the light switch hole and the solid brick house. Thanks a lot. Take care.